We consider another problem of heights and distances. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. Okay, so we have a building, top of a building from the foot of a tower. Okay, so we have a tower and a building together. Okay, it's 30 degree. So let us go for the tower and the building. Now suppose tower is AB and here we have a building CD. This is your tower and here's your building. You should understand the problem, students. So keep on reading it once, twice. Again read the angle of elevation of the top of the building. C is the top of the building. Angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. B is the foot of the tower. So the angle of elevation is how much? It will be 30 degree. I hope you understood this. Angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, A is the top of the tower. Angle of elevation to the top of this tower from the foot of the building, D is the foot of the building. So it is how much? 60 degrees. So here is your angle of elevation for the top of the tower, which is 60 degree. Okay, if the tower is 50 meter high, this height is 50 meter. You have to find out the height of the building. This height of the building you have to find out. Okay, so we write the given first. AB is equal to 50 meter tower. In short we will write, okay. CD is equal to building. Then angle DBC is 30 degree, which is angle of elevation to the top of the building. Fine. Then angle BDA. Angle BDA is equal to 60 degree. What is that angle BDA? It is the angle of elevation to the top of the tower. What do you have to find out to find? What do we find out? Height of the building. You have to find out the height of the building. And what is the height of the building in the figure? It is CD. Fine. Now again, if you have a look here, we have two triangles, CDB and ABD. Both have a common base, right? And we have to find out the opposite. So again we will go for C. For 60 also you have the opposite. For 30 also you have to find the opposite. And adjacent is common. So again we will go for which trigonometric ratio? We will go for the 10 ratio. Fine. So in your solution, in right triangle, I am taking the bigger triangle first. In right triangle, ADB, angle ADB is equal to 60 degree. So 1060. It will be opposite, that is AB. opposite upon adjacent, AB upon DB. So 1060 is AB upon DB. Value of 1060 is root 3. Length AB is given to you as 50 meter if you have a look in the figure. So in place of AB I'll put 50. I'll get DB. So how much is DB? DB is 50 upon root 3. Put it in a rectangular box because we will need this. Okay. Now come to the smaller right triangle. Triangle CDB. Also in right triangle CDB. Which angle is given to us? Angle CBD is given to us. Right? We have been given angle CBD or DBC is equal to 30 degree. So therefore 1030 will be again opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is CD, adjacent is DB. So it will be CD upon DB. What is the value of 1030? 1030 is 1 by root 3. It is 1 by root 3. CD you have to find out. DB you have 50 upon root 3. Reason is from equation 1. Okay. So now what we do is we have to find out CD. CD will be product of these two terms. So we write therefore CD is 1 upon root 3 into 50 upon root 3. So CD will be equal to 50 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. Right? Now if you divide this 50 by 3, I am dividing it over here. 50 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 2. You bring down 0. 3 6 is 18. Remainder is 2. Okay. Now you can write this as a mixed fraction. That is, you can write it as 16 integer 2 upon 3. Or you can further write this as, now we can put a decimal point here and we can write 0. So again you will get 6 3s are 18. So we have 6 as the recurring number over there. Okay. So again 16.66. This will go on repeating. So we write it will be either this value meter or CD will be equal to 16 point. CD will be equal to 16.66 meter. Whichever you wish to take, whichever you wish to put, that will be the answer for the sum.